Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Windows 10 account picture. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So it's actually really simple to do this. What you need to do is come down to the search box in your taskbar down here. Go ahead and give that a click and then type settings. And then you want to click the top result here which says settings app. And it's going to open up all the settings. So from here all you need to do is go into accounts, which is this one here, this option. And you'll see this is going to bring up the account information for myself. So you can see I've got my picture set here, but to change this you've actually got two options and you'll see it's on the same page at the bottom down here. It says create your picture and it's got two options. So you've got the camera, which means you can turn on your camera and take a shot straight away and use that as a picture, or you can click underneath where it says browse for one. And what this is going to do is load up your files, so you can go ahead and choose a picture. For example, I could change this to, let's go into my Digital Tutor folder, and then I can select this logo, and you'll see that's going to instantly update like so. And that's it really, that's how you do it. So you've got two options, as I say, you can use the camera and take a picture straight away. Or if you've got an image saved that you want to use, you can just click on the browse for one and then just locate the image in your files and then go ahead and click choose picture to set that as your account picture. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.